Episode 1 Recap.
We watched until here in episode 1st. Welcome to episode 2 of our trip.
Before starting the video, if you are new in this channel, please give us a subscribe, like, and press the notified button.
Let's start.
Hello.
The engine revved, and our family adventure began as we embarked on a scenic trip from Belkanen to Queenbyne. With laughter echoing within our trusty van, excitement filled the air, igniting our spirits for the journey ahead. We started our traditional songs with madal, our traditional musical instrument. We all are excited with what this trip brings. Leaving the urban sprawl behind, we traversed through winding roads adorned with lush greenery, a picturesque prelude to the experiences awaiting us, fascinated by the changing landscape, rolling hills, expansive fields, and quaint towns passing by like scenes from a storybook. Approaching Queenbyne, anticipation mounted, with smiles etched on our faces and a treasure trove of memories. We parked the van, knowing that this trip was not just about the places we visited, but the bond we shared as a family. We stopped for a short break at our sister's house. After picking up Abba from there, we again started our trip forward. After a drive of 2 hours and covering 170 kilometers, we reached Berridale and we stayed at Snowdream Motel for the night. It's a good idea to check online reviews or websites to find a motel that suits your preferences and provides a restful stay during your trip. We unpacked our things and we prepared our dinner for the night. Dinner is ready and we're about to have our meal now. We had our dinner and we slept that night in that motel. Next morning, we made breakfast for the morning. With the temperature being -2 degrees, ice was formed on the front of our van. This is outside of our motel in Berridale, as the sun kissed the horizon, casting a golden hue over Berridale. Our family's anticipation soared for the adventure awaiting us on the road to Berridale Valley. After having breakfast in the morning, we kickstart our day towards our destination further ahead. The air was charged with excitement as we loaded the essentials into the car, preparing for a journey etched with the promise of snow-dusted landscapes and shared moments. The wheels rolled and the van hummed to life, marking the commencement of our expedition. The road stretched ahead, an enticing pathway bordered by verdant fields, transitioning into the undulating terrain of the snowy mountains. Our family chatter filled the air, blending seamlessly with the hum of the engine. En route, the landscape unfolded like a grand tapestry, each turn revealing breathtaking panoramas of rolling hills and glimpses of pristine lakes. As we approached Jindabyne, the shimmering waters of Lake Jindabyne greeted us, inviting a brief respite. Continuing our journey, the ascent towards Berridale Valley began. The road snaked its way through alpine vistas adorned with snow-capped peaks, a mesmerizing sight that ignited exclamations of wonder from our young adventurers. Perisher Valley finally emerged, a winter wonderland bathed in a pristine blanket of snow. Our van navigated through the valley, guiding us closer to the heart of the snowy playground. The ascent into the snowy mountains marked a shift in the landscape. The air grew crisper, and the foliage gave way to frost-dusted trees, a prelude to the snowy paradise awaiting us. Our family van navigated the winding roads, ascending higher into the mountains with each twist and turn. As we climbed, the scenery evolved into a breathtaking display of nature's beauty. The children gazed wide-eyed at the snow-laden branches, and their excited chatter filled the van. We stopped at vantage points along the way, capturing snapshots of the panoramic vistas that unfolded before us, a landscape blanketed in pristine snow that shimmered like diamonds under the sun. Approaching Perisher Valley, the van rolled into a winter wonderland straight from a postcard. The valley greeted us with open arms, its slopes adorned with steers and snowboarders carving their paths through the powdery snow. The atmosphere buzzed with exhilaration as we glimpsed the ski lifts ferrying adventurers to the mountaintops. Our van found its spot amidst the snowy expanse, and we disembarked, greeted by a flurry of snowflakes dancing in the air. Perisher Valley offered an array of winter delights, a spectrum of activities for every member of the family. From skiing and snowboarding to tubing down gentle slopes, each experience added a new layer of excitement to our snowy escapade. As we descended from the heights of Perisher Valley, the van followed a path adorned with forests draped in snow, resembling scenes from a fairy tale. While approaching near to the spot, there were so many vehicles that we were worried about parking. The van gently maneuvered through the valley's entrance, greeted by a flurry of activity: steers carving arcs on the slopes, snowboarders performing tricks, and families reveling in the winter joy. The excitement within the van reached its peak as we found our spot amidst this snowy playground, eager to partake in the adventures that awaited us. The feeling of stepping out of the van into the crisp, invigorating air of Berridale Valley was like entering a realm of endless possibilities of space, where laughter echoed amidst the snow-laden landscapes, and where every footstep left an imprint on the pottery ground.
Yes.
Our arrival at the threshold of Berridale Valley was not just a checkpoint in our journey. It was the commencement of a wintry escapade, a playground of snow and shared adventures. Still lots of fun and excitement left in the coming episode of this snowy Berridale Valley. Subscribe us and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching. See you in another episode. Until then, take care.